Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change to dark mode on the Lyft app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change to dark mode on the Lyft app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Lyft app. Next, click on You on the bottom right hand corner. Then scroll down, then click on Settings. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Dark Mode, and then you can toggle on between Always On or Always Off. Or you can select Use Device Settings. But there you have it guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on dark mode on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.